Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll install Power BI in the system, so you can follow this video to install Power BI in your system. Okay, so let's start. So how to install Power BI into your system? So basically we have two options, two methods to install Power BI in our system. First one is simply install Power BI desktop from Microsoft Store, and second from Power BI website. But installing Power BI desktop from Microsoft Store is very easy and anyone can install. So first I'll install Power BI from Microsoft Store, and if you want to install from Power BI desktop, do let me know in the comment section. Definitely I'll make a separate video of how we can install Power BI from Microsoft website. Okay, so how to download? First open Microsoft Store, second search Power BI desktop there, click on install and launch Power BI. Simple and easy process. But when you want to you will download you will install Power BI from website, we have total 5 steps. First we have to go to your favorite browser, then go to this link which I have mentioned here in point number 2. Third, just follow these steps. Okay, but make sure this Power BI is not supported on Mac OS unless you are using a virtual machine. So what I'll do is I'll go to Power BI, I'll go to Microsoft Store and will install Power BI desktop from there. So here we are on Power BI. So here we are on Microsoft Store. So what I'll do is I'll search Power BI here. See Power BI desktop. What I'll do, I'll click on this install button. Okay, so it's getting ready. Depending upon your speed of your internet, it will take time. Okay, so I have successfully installed Power BI desktop in our system. So what I'll do is I'll just search here Power BI and will open. It may take few seconds if you are opening for the first time. So whenever you will open Power BI, this interface you will see here. If I say this is blank report, okay, this is like one leg data hub. From here you can import the data. This is Excel workbook, this is SQL Server, and this is other resources. So what I'll do is I'll go on blank report. So this is blank report. Okay, so now what I'll do is I'll explain each and everything, like what this section called and everything. Okay, so whenever you will open the Power BI, you will see these different type of sections. So this one, the first one here is this called ribbon, the command bar where you perform actions. So this is home, this is insert, modeling, view, optimize, help. Okay, so this is get data, like where you will import data from various platform. This is Excel workbook, like from here you can directly import Excel file here. Okay, this is transform data, from where we will perform Power Query. Okay, so this section is called ribbon. Okay, here in the left hand side we have total 4 symbols, right? So first one is report view. So this part is called report view. Okay, this is data view. So data view is something where table will shown there. Okay, data will be there. And the third one is called model view. Model view is nothing but where we build relationship between two tables or more than two tables. Okay, and this one is last one. This is DAX query view, like where we write DAX function. But this is not so important. Okay, so this part, this section is called dashboard, or we can say workspace, like where we create dashboard, where we create different type of visuals. Okay, this is what is this? This is page navigation, like page 1. Okay, if you will click on this plus sign, this will be like page 2, page 3, page 4, likewise. Okay, this section is called filter. Okay, using this filter pane helps us to add filter to our visuals. Okay, so we will use different type of filters in upcoming lectures. This section is called visualization. Okay, using this section helps us to add visuals to our dashboard and format it. Okay, so here you can see different type of visuals: bar chart, table, pie chart, donut, matrix, everything will be here. And the last, this is called data. This is nothing but it shows all fields from our data. Okay, like for example, if you import one Excel file here, okay, so that Excel file will be shown to this section. Okay, so I hope you understood the interface. In the next video, we will more explore more Power BI desktop, and will import different type of data like CSV file, Excel file, and we'll try to connect SQL Server to our SQLs. So in that video, you will learn like how we import the data, and we will try to create different type of visuals that will be helpful for those students who are very beginner. So don't forget to watch that video. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. We will meet soon. Till then, take care and bye.